In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal, teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum, and very good evening. I want to talk about an important topic today, climate change and how it is seriously affecting Pakistan. As a country, we contribute very little to global greenhouse gas emissions, yet we are at the vanguard of climate risk. Respected audience, the challenges presented by climate change are severe, urgent, and genuine. They have an impact on our economy, environment, and public health. Respected audience, the first risk is rising from higher temperatures and heat waves. Prolonged exposure to high temperatures is detrimental to human and agricultural health, lowering crop yields and increasing food poverty. Additionally, the inability of outdoor laborers to work is hindered, which affects their capacity to make a living, particularly in construction and agricultural sectors. Esteemed audience, the second hazard is of glacial melting and water security. Global warming is causing a rapid melting of glaciers in the northern parts of Pakistan, which are home to some of the greatest glaciers on the earth. Reduced glacier melt over time may cause acute water shortages that endanger home water supply, agriculture, and industry. Esteemed audience, the third hazard is unpredictable weather patterns and agriculture. Unpredictable monsoons, droughts, and unseasonal rainfall are among the chaotic weather patterns brought on by the climate change. Esteemed audience, Pakistan's economy, which implies the sizable chunk of workforce, is especially vulnerable due to agriculture. Food security is at risk. Drought conditions are becoming more common, which causes crop failure and hardship for the farmers. Esteemed audience, another most significant risk is rise in the frequency of flooding. Pakistan is experiencing more frequent and severe flooding due to the combined effect of deforestation, poor urban planning, and climate change have exacerbated these climate risks, making them a recurring threat. Dear audience, the last and the most significant risk of climate change is coastal erosion and rising sea levels. Consequently, fresh water resources are being contaminated by salt water intrusion, which are hurting agriculture and drinking water supplies, and coastal erosion is already uprooting towns. Esteemed audience, the major economic center Karachi is threatened by both increasing the storm surges and sea level rise, endangering millions of people and vital infrastructure. Dear audience, I would conclude with these words. Climate change poses serious and diverse risks to Pakistan. They pose a threat to our water supply, food security, health, and financial stability. To address these issues, immediate action is needed on several fronts. We need to make investments in disaster preparedness, sustainable agriculture, and climate resilient infrastructure. Increasing awareness and encouraging a culture of environmental responsibility among people is equally vital. Dear audience, even while we might not be able to completely avoid climate change, we can lessen its effect and make Pakistan more resilient for the coming generation. Respected audience, now is the moment to take action before these obstacles become insurmountable. I thank you.